one more question, which is, why should I pay for relational design with you? Instead, just ask an AI to do the job for me.
AI is going to do a fantastic job at creating aesthetically brilliant frameworks for logo design. It's really going to take you very far concerning actually what the modern world may want from a design piece in general. It's going to be, first and foremost, hollow beautification, is what I call it, which simply means it's going to lack root and depth into your own self. And what that really means is the energetic qualities to which your authentic scaffolding actually originates from. And this is what I'm presenting, or calling, better said, as the oversoul. And this is your origin blueprint architecture to where you animate as a soul and to which comes through your biology, yourself. The same premise is used for design work because it's designed to synthesize with who you are, deep down beneath the bones, within them, and tethering through, back to your oversoul, the authentic blueprint. So in contrast to having something that is engineered by artificial general intelligence, you're going to get what it's good at. Something that can put things together based on the data bank that it has and make it quite perfect, mathematically speaking and geometrically speaking. With myself, you're going to get that, but you're also going to have the relational connectivity with its designer and also it pulsed back to yourself. So we actually create a cocoon, a resonant pod of natural human harmonics that actually make the heart alive, fire being breathed, and from that forging heat, create. Because that's our essence. When we unite and come together, this is how we begin to create a larger energetic field and actually begin to anchor the correct energetic principles, intelligence, and even remembrance into self, into planet, and to the collective. And that's truly what I am endeavoring and certainly intending with Starchitect Relational Design. Now, it's something not promised because this is also something that I am actually testing out. And it's also something that's based on our own connection. If we click, it's not going to go anywhere. If you don't click with an artificial intelligence, it doesn't really care because it's not alive. So this also invites you to step in to actually your genuine feeling of things with the person right in front of you and be confronted, and if so, let yourself be confronted. Vice versa. That's how relation goes. So this process is also a session, if you will. It's going to possibly bring up shit that maybe you have not processed. Memories that are a little bit jagged, relating to trauma gaps that haven't been integrated inside the system. Why? Because we're directly interfacing with Oversoul, the intelligence that when it inches that much deeper into the body, it begins to find places of coherency that it can land. Doesn't land if there's not coherency. So what I'm saying is that by us relating sincerely, the vibrational bridge between me and you is stirring up the shadows. And once that is stirred up and certainly dealt with, in a sense, then Oversoul aspects can begin to, yes, be invited down into your biology, though architected through your design. So the design, lastly, is acting as a Oversoul ambassador in graphical form, if you will. And that simply means it's standing next to you in life, pulsing and alive, sentiently weaving with your intentional qualities you have for it. Why? Because it is forged from breath. It's forged from life that is you and rooted into the right places. So that's what I'm offering. Creation from rooting in the right places and connection back to the original you.
That sounds very embodied. Thank you.
You're welcome.